Hello and welcome to a new challenge. This time I will be doing Omid's challenge number 138. It's like a two-star challenge, but doing this in Excel without the pivot by formula, where you can see a lot of formulas are based on, isn't that simple. Because you can't use SUMIF because SUMIF or SUMIFS because it will not spell right. You can't use map there accordingly, and I use the mix of map and reduce. And we will go into that now. So I have this solved once a few seconds ago, and I will do this again with you guys. So let's build a let formula with the date, the quantity, the month, the day, and we can now start with it. So also, unique of month, and we can now start with this. So I need to have here a calculation for multiple columns, and we can try this with SUMIFS. So here I can make here month of those here, and then you can use here SUMIFS of the quantity if the month equals this here. This is fine. This is working. But then if I want to implement here a second dimension or a dimension in total, so like here the day of this. So here's the second criteria. This should be larger than sequence of 3 columns starting from 0 and step 10. This will work also, but then we are getting there. So here smaller and sequence 3 columns 0 step, oh not 0, 10, 11 step 10, and will work. And now we need to map this, and we cannot use map here. We need to use reduce here for the months because array of arrays. This is our problem. Therefore we use here the reduce. So first we bring this in here. Corrects. Go in here. Reduce. Initial value will be later our header. Now it's nothing. Then we have U as our array, lambda AB, and here SUMIFS of E is our quantity. This is M. This is what was this? 350. This is U, or in this case B, and this is dy, and this also. Now close all this stuff, and we're getting there in hashtag value because now our SUMIFS function isn't working properly. Therefore, I haven't used here SUMIFS. I've used a map function in there. So yeah, somehow the ifs function and arrays are sketchy sometimes. I also here struggle there sometimes. So therefore I will put it in here. So here sequence and then a lambda of C, and now we use sum and filter. Array is Q, M should be B, multiplied with dy should be larger then c and dy should be smaller than c plus 11, close the brackets, get rid of this stuff here, and we're getting there with an error here because we need to do the error correction, because if the filter function isn't filtering something, then we need to have at least an. So here we can also use here if empty, sorry, we can do that as 0. Yeah, will also work. I sometimes step over some of the optional arguments. Now, then we VSTACK here, A and this stuff here. We're having here an error because we're not using the header yet. So I have to put that under something in there. You will not have an error. And we use here P and sequence 3. Then we have the header. And now we need to HSTACK VSTACK month and U. So in the VSTACK, sorry, U. And we have here our solution. A little bit different than my solution before, only marginal. Yeah. So what do we do here? We have here a little bit of preparation, and then we have a reduce function mixed with a map function and a filter of multiple criteria. So let's bring this formula in. And we have a solution on. So thank you for attention. I hope to see you also in the next videos. I think the next video will be like something like an XLBI challenge. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.